Hello everyone, time management, teaching tip Tuesday. We are up to number 8, use an electronic mark book. Again, you may be absolutely expert on this, but I find it so handy to keep track of everything. I'm fairly lucky. I've got 600 kids a week. I know that most of the people that I work with have a lot more than 600 children a week, but keeping track of those kids is pretty tough. So I keep track of their results. I have an auto sum. I have a sort of an auto percentage thing, and I have conditional formatting in my cells that changes the color of the cells so that if they're an A, it's green. If they're a B, it's yellow, like traffic lights. If it stays white, it's a C. If it's red, it means have a look because they might be a D. And I don't necessarily stick to this exactly, but it gives me a really good ballpark idea. The other thing I love about keeping the electronic mark book in Excel, and I use Excel, is I keep track of the kids for years. I just changed my grade 5s from this year. I will just save that page as year 6. I'll change their classes and I hide all of the columns leading up to that so that I've actually got years of data on that one page attached to that child, which is really handy. I hide the columns that have the marks. I just keep the column for the result open so I can actually look back. And like I said, when you've got 600, you've got to keep track of them. So let's say that Fred got a C for music, but I'm looking back and I see that he has got A's from me for the last couple of years. C, why has he got a C? And I will get back and I will have a look. It's worth knowing those things. You can add something in the comments. There may be an error. It's really good to help keep track of things. So electronic mark book, I really like using Excel. I hope that you find that tip useful. I'd love to hear what you use and what works really well for you. If you want to come to the Crescendo Community Facebook page and share, I would love that. Don't forget to download your time management tips. And that is my teaching tip for this Tuesday. Bye.